Nakalimpak. Too much to have to such a time from the soul. Alanganin ang oras. Edison. Sa labas. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Thumbs up. Salamat, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Hello, maganda siya. Thank you, Greg. Hello, maganda. How are you there? I miss you, Sheryl. You miss my may kakulitan. I'm fine, Lydia. I'm also fine. Thank you too.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, it's Marian. Thank you for the 6 million viewers. Thank you for going to live for me. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Greg. Thank you also. It helps me. It helps me always supporting me. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And, I really appreciate your support, Greg. Thank you so much. I'm here. Great. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. You really don't have to stay long. I just wanted to say you're good. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. maybe afternoon we're going to Zumba live here. Hope you join. Where are you at work? Erosin. Erosin. At afternoon here. Later we're going to Zumba and I will meet my new friends. I want to see, yes. And after Zumba, I meet my friends. Maybe we drank together like that. Talk, banding, jolly.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am. Opo.
Mac, Jusena. Paano mo nasabing gaga ako? Mac, Jusena. How you say I'm gaga? How you say that? How you say I'm gaga? Paano mo nasabing gaga ako? Mac, Jusena. I know what that means, yeah. You know him? You know Mark Jusena? Lul. He said I'm gaga. How is that? Do you know, Greg? You know him, Mark Jusena? Ah, okay. I don't know him. Soulcaster said hi. Hi, Soulcaster. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. Hi, Soulcaster. How's your day? I'm fine. It's okay, Cheryl. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I always ignore about it. He never knew me. He don't know me. I'm fine, Soulcaster. How are you too? Just because. Thank you for the 10 million in my house. Thank you so much. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning po. Carl Waga. Ali Abdul. Hi, Ali Abdul. Kumusta? Kumusta po? It's been so long. Girl. Welcome everyone. Please comment. Please comment and don't say bad words. Aparapapa, let me go. I can't believe you cut that. My hair. Hi, Sir Ben. Morning. Nag-ano pa dito sa ano? I can't believe you cut that. Yeah. Cut my hair. Fell broken. Ouch. The broken one. Found the love for me. Wala ng feelings. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thumbs up dan sisi ko. Thank you, ka amazing. Thank you so much. I noticed right away too. Thank you, ka amazing sa thumbs up. Salamat. Mega love shoutout sisi ko. Thank you so much. Ka amazing. Mega love shoutout to you. Thank you. Thank you sa pag-join po. New look sisi ko. I love it. Thank you. Mega love shout out everyone. Mega love shout out everyone. Hello. Spend season. Hello ka. Ka amazing. Kapag ako Hi, Sir Greg. What means MMLSO? What does it mean? Madanika Soreda GOO. How are you doing? Amazing. Lulu. Madanika Soreda. Hi. Lul.
Ay, Charmaine, nahatag na ka, ma'am?
Thank you sa 3 million in the house. Salamat. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, Sir Greg. How about you? Morena Cheryl. Yes, Morena. The Morena. Mega love, shout out to you. Thank you so 3 million. Thank you so much for the 3 million. Means mega love me means mega love shout out. Means mega love. I'm fine, ka thanks. I'm fine, ka thanks. I know. I know. Naantok ako. That's Greg, Sir Greg. That's great, Sir Greg. Thank you for the 4 million in my house. Salamat. USA plus Philippine equals us. When you come here in the Philippines, Greg, pwede ba, pwede babay sisi ko. Bye-bye. Ingat lagi, ka-amazing. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you sa pagtambay, sa pagpunta sa live ko. Thank you so much. Thank you, amazing. Thank you. God bless.
Ay, ma'am, galing ako kay Princess. Ang sabi ni
Bye ka,
Princess,
thanks
sa bakit
again.
ibigay kasi andun yung papel. Yun yung sabi
Bye
niya.
ka, thanks again.
Papel ng ano, ng sa ano, mga vouchers.
Welcome, sir.
Nasa back. Kasi bago ako pumunta kay Rachel, pumunta muna ako kay Princess. Ang tiningnan wala. Kasi sa office niya, kasi nalaman ko mismo na wala siya talaga doon. Kasi kung andun yun, nakausap ko na sana.
What is that in the background?
O yun. Basta ma'am, kung ano yung sabi mo, yun lang din naman ang ginawa ko. Sabi mo, ibigay kay Princess. Si Princess naman, ang sabi, ibigay sa back. Ando na po. Okay po. Sige po.
It's 2 minutes.